What's up, y'all? It's Rep from the Heights Lab, and today we're going to take a look inside some music history. This rig was given to me around 2013 by my good friend Jerry Jemmott. Jerry Jemmott has played on many classic tracks over time, including B.B. King's The Thrill Is Gone, Aretha Franklin Think, lots of stuff with King Curtis, played with Greg Allman, and many, many others. I met him while he was living in Ridgeland, Mississippi. I even helped him pack up his house when he moved to L.A. Over the years, Jerry played many rigs, Ampeg, all types of stuff. This particular rig that I got from him, though, was mentioned in Jaco Pastorius' book. It's a Fender 300-watt bass head on a custom Kybo Cab. From everything I can find, the amp head was made between 1980 and 82, and there's not a lot of information on it. I really had to source just to find the schematics, but anything from Jerry has to have some mojo, right? To even get into Jerry would be an entire separate video, so this, I'm going to keep it to the Fender 300 bass head. Across the front, we can see that it has a built-in one-knob style compressor, 3-band equalizer, effects knob, tone, and gain. There's also 2 input jacks on the face of the unit. In the back, we can see the various ins and outs. You have your active output with the different crossover points, power output point. The direct out also has options for pre-compression, post-compression, or any variation of tone stage you may want. This works well for me because I like to mix in hybrid. So just like anything else on this channel, let's pop it open and take a look at it. On the top of the head, there's a signal flow diagram that looks kind of like a schematic. Don't let it fool you, though. It won't actually tell you any component values or the capacitance of anything, but it is pretty cool to look at. One of the first things you'll notice are these very large capacitors right here, 22 ultrafarads at 80 volt. Alongside this also very large transformer. It had to have a lot of juice to push the 300 watts. There's a little fan that's actually pretty loud behind here that cools off the main board. Get a better look at that. We'll also get a better look over here at this transformer and the capacitors. You can see how it's wired over here with the 2 fuses. As you can see, the bottom side of the board also features these RCA style transistor connections. Some of this is very hard to obtain. So if you want to hear what it sounds like, let me know. I'll make a part 2 video. Thanks for watching. Please like and share. I got a whole lot more on the way.